And all of you take out your English book. Okay, take out lesson number 8. Let's see what is in lesson number 8. You see Bezwada Wilson. Today we will go to learn about Bezwada Wilson. Who is Bezwada Wilson? Who is Bezwada Wilson? Let's see. Reading. Let us read about Bezwada Wilson, this remarkable person who has dedicated his whole life to improve the lives of toilet cleaners. In our country, not very long ago, people used dry toilets. These toilets had no flushing system. It was the job of the members of a particular community to come every morning and clean the toilets. Women, men, and even children of this particular caste used bare hands to clean and carry the filth in buckets to dispose it of elsewhere. This is called manual scavenging. First, before going to know who is Bezwada Wilson, we will learn what is manual scavenging. Okay. In our country, not very long years ago, people used dry toilets, and these dry toilets do not have flushing system. But nowadays, every Indian and American toilet has a flushing system. Yes or no? So women and men and even children of this particular caste used bare hands to clean and carry the filth in buckets to dispose it of elsewhere. This is called manual scavenging. You see, manual scavenging is what the manual scavenging is those type of people. That is, it is one caste that belongs to what? Horizon. Okay, every poor, though some persons are poor, but they can't do everything. Okay, they can't do this kind of dirty things. That only a horizon people can do this kind of things. That is toilet cleaner. Okay, that is called what? Horizon. সব মানুহে গরিব হলেও সেইবোৰ কাম কৰিব নোৱাৰে, কিন্তু তেনেকুৱা এটা কাষ্ট আছে, সেই কাষ্টৰ মানুহখিনিহে এই কামবোৰ নিম্ন খাপৰ কামবোৰ কৰিব পাৰে. Okay. And here you see, here given bare hands. Bare hands means what? The person do not use weapons or do not use any kind of weapons or hand gloves. That is called what? Bare hands. They clean with their hands. Okay, and carry the filth in buckets to dispose it of elsewhere. This is called manual scavenging. Aru hiyote ki kore buckets mane filth bur, that is disgusting dirty. Okay, hey dirty bur ki kore তেওঁলোকে বাকেটত ভৰাই পেলাই dispose কৰে সেইবোৰ. This is called what? Manual scavenging. Manual scavenging is a shameful practice that has gone on in India for ages. Many are employed to clear, carry, and dispose the human excreta from sewers, drains, and railway lines. The worst part of the job was people refused to talk to these people and considered them dirty and untouchable. Children of these people were not allowed into schools, and if they went to school, other children and teachers did not even came close to them. This type of people means these horizon people, they are not familiar to other people. Okay, they are not familiar to other people, and every people, and they considered them dirty and people considered them dirty and untouchable. And children of these people, they do not go to schools, and if they went to school also, then children or teachers did not even come close to them. Hiyotor usor nasape, hiyotor logot close nohoy. Okay. Bezwada Wilson, born into the same caste, has fought an extraordinary battle against this terrible practice. His campaign, the Safai Karmasari Andalan, is the largest movement to end this practice. He was awarded the prestigious Magsaysay Award in 2016 for his effort. Bezwada Wilson also belongs to discussed. Okay, and he was fought an extraordinary battle against what? Against Safai Karmachari Andolan. At last he has got what? Prestigious Magsaysay Award in 2016. যুদ্ধ কৰোঁতে কৰোঁতে লাষ্টত সফল হৈ কেতিয়াও এই সাফাই কৰ্মচাৰী আন্দোলনৰ ওপৰত এটা এৱাৰ্ড পালে ইন 2016 আৰু এৱাৰ্ডটোৰ নাম হ'ল মাগসাইছাই এৱাৰ্ড. অ'কে, বেজৱাডাছ জাৰ্নি, তেখেতৰ জাৰ্নি কেনেকৈ আৰম্ভ হ'ল? Bezwada was born in 1966 in the Kolar gold fields in Karnataka in southern India. He is the youngest child of Rachel Bezwada and Jacob Bezwada, both members of the untouchable caste of India. Bezwada was born in 1966 in Karnataka, okay, in southern India, and he was the youngest child of whom? Rachel Bezwada and Jacob Bezwada. Okay, and they both means their parents, his parents belong to this untouchable caste. Okay, his father worked as a manual scavenger cleaning dirty toilets. His eldest brother also worked as a manual scavenger and then in the town. তেওঁ ইণ্ডিয়ান ৰেলৱেজতো কাম কৰিছিল স্কেভেঞ্জাৰ হিচাপে আৰু টাউনতো কাম কৰিছিল স্কেভেঞ্জাৰ হিচাপে. Okay, Bezwada's parents sent him to school when he was very small in Andhra Pradesh, where he stayed in the hostel for scheduled caste. Bezwada parents তেওঁক স্কুলত পঠাইছিল যেতিয়া তেওঁ সৰু আছিল তেতিয়া তেওঁক অন্ধ্ৰ প্ৰদেশৰ এখন স্কুলত পঠাইছিল আৰু তাত তেওঁ হোষ্টেলত আছিল কাৰণ তেওঁ শিডিউল কাষ্টক বিলং কৰে. In school he was teased by the other students who called him a scavenger. আৰু স্কুলত ল'ৰা ছোৱালীবোৰে টিষ্ট কৰে মিন্স জুকায়. ল'ৰা ছোৱালীবোৰে কি কৰে তেওঁক জুকাইছিল. কি বুলি জুকাইছিল? স্কেভেঞ্জাৰ বুলি জুকাইছিল. When he discovered his parents' true occupation, he wanted to commit suicide. যেতিয়া তেওঁ দেউতাকে কি কাম কৰে সেইটো ক'ব লগা হৈছিল তেওঁ নিজকে suicide কৰি দিব বিচাৰিছিল. Despite the problems he faced, he still went on to complete his college education. ইমান প্ৰব্লেম ফেচ কৰাৰ পিছতো তেওঁ কলেজ এডুকেশ্যন কমপ্লিট কৰিছে. অ'কে, স্কেভেঞ্জাৰ মিন্স হোৱাট? স্কেভেঞ্জাৰ মিন্স ইউ চি লেতেৰা বস্তু চাফা কৰা বা লেতেৰা বস্তু বুটলি ফুৰা বিচাৰি ফুৰা লেতেৰা বস্তুবোৰ ডেট ইজ স্কেভেঞ্জাৰ. অ'কে, মানে ডিছগাষ্টিং ডাৰ্টি যিবোৰ আছে সেইবোৰ যোনে চাফা কৰে পৰিষ্কাৰ কৰে বা বিচাৰি ফুৰে ডেট ইজ স্কেভেঞ্জাৰ. When he grew up, his brother took him to register for a government job. The government officer felt and the desired occupation was scavenger without even asking him. This was his first personal experience of discrimination. In anger, he tore up the application in front of all the employment exchange staff. যেতিয়া তেওঁ ডাঙৰ হ'ল তেওঁৰ ভায়েকে কি কৰিলে তেওঁক গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট এক্সচেঞ্জ অফিচত তেওঁক কি কৰিলে ৰেজিষ্টাৰ ফিল আপ কৰাৰ কাৰণে লৈ গ'ল. তেতিয়া তেওঁ কি কৰিলে গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট অফিচাৰে তেওঁক কোনো ধৰণৰ একো কথা নুসুধি পেলাই তেওঁক স্কেভেঞ্জাৰ হিচাপে যোগ দিলে. First, Bezwada worked in Karnataka and got many dry toilets replaced with modern toilets. প্ৰথমতে তেওঁ কাম কৰিল কৰ্ণাটকাত আৰু তাত তেওঁ বহুত ড্ৰাই টয়লেটছ দেখিলে আৰু সেই ড্ৰাই টয়লেটছবোৰ কি কৰিলে মডাৰ্ণ টয়লেটছত ৰূপান্তৰিত কৰিলে. He and his colleagues found other suitable jobs for the cleaners. তেওঁ আৰু তেওঁৰ কলিগছে আৰু বেলেগ suitable jobs বিচাৰি পাৰে ক্লিনাৰ্ছবোৰৰ কাৰণে. Then they moved to Andhra Pradesh. In 1993, he went to the Supreme Court and filed a case against the government of India and various state governments for allowing dry toilets to function. The court ruled his favor. আৰু তেওঁ কি কৰিলে অন্ধ্ৰ প্ৰদেশ ঘূৰি আহিল 1993 তেওঁ কি কৰিলে সুপ্ৰিম কোৰ্টত এখন ফাইল কেছ কৰিলে কাৰ ওপৰত গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট অফ ইণ্ডিয়া ভাৰত চৰকাৰ আৰু ষ্টেট গভৰ্ণমেণ্টৰ ওপৰত এখন কি কৰিলে কেছ ফাইল কৰিলে. কিহৰ ওপৰত কেছখন ফাইল কৰিলে? ড্ৰাই টয়লেটছৰ ওপৰত. অ'কে, দ্য কোৰ্ট ৰুলড হিজ ফেভাৰ. To his volunteers demolished dry toilets in states like Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Rajasthan. So his volunteers demolished dry toilets in states like Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Rajasthan. Bezwada Wilson says, I will not rest until I have demolished the last dry toilet in India. প্ৰথমতে কি ক'ত ডিমলাইজড হ'ল? অন্ধ্ৰ প্ৰদেশ, কৰ্ণাটকা এণ্ড ৰাজস্থানত. তাৰপিছত বেজৱাডা উইলছনে কৈছে I will not rest মই ৰেষ্টত নাথাকোঁ until I have demolished the last dry toilet in India ইণ্ডিয়াত যেতিয়া লাষ্ট ড্ৰাই টয়লেট ডিমলাইজ নহয় তেতিয়ালৈকে মই ৰেষ্টত নাথাকোঁ টুডে বেজৱাডা উইলছন ইজ এ ৱেল নন নেম এণ্ড ইজ নন এজ দ্য ক্ৰুচেডাৰ ফৰ দ্য কজ অফ মেনুৱেল স্কেভেঞ্জাৰ আজি তেওঁক ৱেল নন হিচাপে জানে মানুহে চাৰিওফালে তেওঁক ভালদৰে জানে ৱেল নন ভালদৰে জানে কি বুলি জানে তেওঁ এজন ক্ৰুচেডাৰ ফৰ দ্য কজ অফ মেনুৱেল স্কেভেঞ্জাৰ্ছ মানে ক্ৰুচেডাৰ মিনছ হোৱাট মানে কিবা এটা কামৰ কাৰণে তেওঁ ভাৰত চৰকাৰ আৰু ষ্টেট গভৰ্ণমেণ্টৰ ওপৰত এখন কি কৰিলে কেছ ফাইল কৰিলে কিহৰ ওপৰত কেছখন ফাইল কৰিলে ড্ৰাই টয়লেটছৰ ওপৰত অ'কে দ্য কোৰ্ট ৰুলড হিজ ফেভাৰ টু হিজ volunteers demolished dry toilets in states like Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Rajasthan. So his volunteers demolished dry toilets in states like Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Rajasthan. Bezwada Wilson says, I will not rest until I have demolished the last dry toilet in India. প্ৰথমতে কি ক'ত ডিমলাইজড হ'ল অন্ধ্ৰ প্ৰদেশ কৰ্ণাটকা এণ্ড ৰাজস্থানত তাৰপিছত বেজৱাডা উইলছনে কৈছে I will not rest মই ৰেষ্টত নাথাকোঁ until I have demolished the last dry toilet in India ইণ্ডিয়াত যেতিয়া লাষ্ট ড্ৰাই টয়লেট ডিমলাইজ নহয় তেতিয়ালৈকে মই ৰেষ্টত নাথাকোঁ টুডে বেজৱাডা উইলছন ইজ এ ৱেল নন নেম এণ্ড ইজ নন এজ দ্য ক্ৰুচেডাৰ ফৰ দ্য কজ অফ মেনুৱেল স্কেভেঞ্জাৰ আজি তেওঁক ৱেল নন হিচাপে জানে মানুহে চাৰিওফালে তেওঁক ভালদৰে জানে ৱেল নন ভালদৰে জানে কি বুলি জানে তেওঁ এজন ক্ৰুচেডাৰ ফৰ দ্য কজ অফ মেনুৱেল স্কেভেঞ্জাৰ্ছ মানে ক্ৰুচেডাৰ মিনছ হোৱাট মানে কিবা এটা কামৰ কাৰণে তেওঁ যুদ্ধ কৰি 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 শেষত সেই কামটোৰ কাৰণে তেওঁ ছাকচেছ হ'ল অ'কে ডেট ইজ ক্ৰুচেডাৰ Out of 6 lakh scavengers in India, his campaign has liberated around 3 lakh and has helped them to move on to other jobs. ইমান মানুহখিনিক কি কৰিলে তেওঁ বেলেগ জবত ৰূপান্তৰিত কৰিলে He still has to complete his job and everyone hopes he will reach his target as early as possible. So children, all of you read the chapter nicely, okay? And again I am going to say one thing. Remember, before learning the question answer, children, always read the chapter again and again, then your pronunciation will be clear, okay? And while learning the question answer, then also you will get easy to by heart quickly, okay? So children, have a nice day. Thank you.